Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make poached eggs easy. Let's start by gathering our essential tools: fresh eggs, a medium pot, a slotted spoon, and a small bowl. Next, fill your pot with about 3 to 4 inches of water. Add a small splash of white vinegar. This helps the egg whites set beautifully. Finally, bring the water to a gentle simmer, ensuring it is not boiling vigorously. This careful preparation is key for perfect results. Now let's prepare our eggs for poaching. Carefully crack each egg, one by one, into a small bowl or a ramekin. This simple step is crucial because it prevents the delicate yolk from breaking when you introduce it to the simmering water. Using fresh eggs is also very important as they hold their shape much better. If you notice any very watery whites, it is best to discard them before proceeding. It's time for the main event, poaching. Gently slide each prepared egg from its bowl directly into the simmering water. To ensure even cooking and prevent the water temperature from dropping too much, poach only 1 or 2 eggs at a time. For a perfectly runny yolk, cook your eggs for approximately 3 to 4 minutes. Once cooked to your liking, use a slotted spoon to carefully lift each egg from the water. Congratulations, you've made perfect poached eggs. Before serving, gently place each egg on a paper towel for a few seconds to drain any excess water. Serve them immediately on a piece of crispy toast, creamy avocado, or alongside your favorite breakfast items. If you prefer a firmer yolk, simply poach them for an additional 1 to 2 minutes. Finish with a sprinkle of salt and pepper and enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.